family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming. Thank you all my old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by again to watch the video. Yes, today I'm back with another video. I call this food, I call it detoxifying food and also food for winter. We call it here in Italy minestrone. So these are ingredients I need: pumpkin, carrot, tomatoes, onions, celery, peas, and the zucchini. So if you can add any other ingredients, you can add. Yes, I don't have cauliflower around me, so you can also add cauliflower inside of it. So this is very, very nutritious, especially in this weather. You know, after eating all kinds of food, many of us that eat a very heavy food, you need this kind of food at least 2 or 3 times in a week for your night meal. After eating it, you just go to bed. The next morning, you will thank Afro. It's very, very good. Extra virgin oil. Add your extra virgin oil, any oil, especially healthy oil, coconut oil, but here we normally use extra virgin oil for it. Okay, so don't allow the oil to heat up so much. You now add everything together. Remember, I have onions, every of them, add all of them together there. This is also good for somebody that have cholesterol. It's very good for your meal, okay? Allow it to heat up for some time. It's good that sometimes you clear your system, clear it. Clear your system, not only with medicine, you can use this vegetable to clear your system. After eating your lunch, then in the night you take this. So I added my homemade stock cube. If you have not watched the video how I make this stock cube, just scroll up, you will see it, or I will put the link here, so that you'll be able to wash it and make your own stock cube at home. Very easy to make. So I didn't add salt because it contains salt also. So I added the black pepper off camera and also warm water. Yeah, it has been cooking for 20 minutes. So at this stage, if you're somebody that wants to use it for afternoon food, maybe you need some heavy food, you add your pasta. That is how we cook it here. You add your pasta, like pasta mister, that is mixed pasta or any small pastas, you know, you add it. Look at this one. This one is mixed pasta. We call it pasta mister. You pour it inside, but I don't want pasta. I just want to use it for my night meal. This is what I'm going to eat this night. So very healthy, very healthy. Try it for your family. Children also is good for them. It's very, very nice. For babies, you can pour it inside of a blender and blend it when it's cold. Then you now parboil pasta and put it all these small pastas for them. It's very nutritious for them, for babies. I mean babies from 6 months. So look at it. It is ready to consume. I'm trying to chase away some hotness from it so I can eat. Okay, if you are watching up to this period, you've not subscribed, hey, what are you waiting? Please now, oh yeah, subscribe. Hit the notification bell that anytime I post a video, you'll be able to notify. Thanks for watching. Share this video to your friends and your family. Bye.